justify tech, margins, etc. Easy, no worries.
Okay.
What else?
Do you have any idea of like the exact margin for that?
It must be somewhere. I'm not sure where it is. The one second. But this is equal on both sides. Whereas this should be further
It's okay. It's going well.
to that
Good.
side.
Yeah.
So then when it bends.
Oh, but I need to do
So
Nick
no,
translation
right.
again.
You see what I mean about
That
opening
works.
straight?
Oh, no.
Yeah.
And double space.
So,
It's not. It's fine.
Good day.
The only thing is, I think he's saying that it's too small.
are we going to
Yeah,
the store?
make it a bit bigger.
Yeah, it's got to be the same on each side.
No, I thought it had to be bigger on one side.
Yeah, because of the binding.
Personally, I think that.
I know.
But I might be
Difficult to read your
incorrect.
silly pieces.
Okay. So
Right.
I'll make like
Just make it even up a little bit because it does not that big, but it just looks a bit like you haven't tried. Not that you haven't tried. Just makes it look like you haven't tried. Is there some sort of cake over here? Big margin.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. I like it. Is it your final dissertation? Final draft, or it's not draft, the main?
Get in there, get in there. Oh, sorry, she's
Sorry. No, I don't need
Is it
a
my
computer.
seat?
Just I need my
Sorry, might have to see what.
photograph. That's fine.
Are you going to the shop?
No.
Needs to set for control all. So, surely, and now try it. So, no. Oh. You must have different formatting on the different, some of the different
Oh,
pages.
dear God. Okay, I'll just undo it.
Yeah. So now select something. Just make that one what you want it to be, yeah. Change the two that you want. We'll leave that for now. Is that okay? Yeah. So that should change the two margins. Changed, yeah. Is there a reason you want your left margin to be bigger than your right margin?
Because of the space of binding.
Oh, you are binding it then?
I'm not doing it personally, but
It will be there. So yeah, because so I don't know what was wrong with the size before, because you're binding, you need extra.
And I think Kate was saying there's two bits.
Two.
Right.
Yeah, that should be. But that wasn't a massive change either, so she was made two bigger issues. I'm guessing that's just a drawn line,
Yeah.
so you need to extend it. Just a little detail. Is there any other colours? She has one in the future as well. To take the draft bit off from me.
Yeah, that would be very helpful.
Mm.
There must be different sections, so it's not done.
Yeah.
It's annoying.
It's best to see it now than after I've handed it in.
Yeah, but it's like my thesis. Every time I open it, I seem to find a mistake. And it's like,
Yeah.
don't stop
Oh
it.
yeah. Yes. Even for my master dissertation. When I open it, I found something.
Yeah, and it's like, not only had I printed it, and then a few months later I had the viva, so therefore had that time to find mistakes, and did find mistakes. I had a little list when I went to my viva, because that's what people say. Take a list of mistakes that you've spotted, so it shows that you're still being
that's
self-critical
right.
and stuff. So I had my little list, and then they had their lists, but no, still. open it up, mistakes. Getting there. Was there any other formatting that they helped you change it? Yeah.
When I was doing my master, we had to write abstract and lay abstract, which I found it very strange.
Oh, okay. So
Yeah, I
like,
don't know why.
So one for like the science.
the
Yeah,
lady-
scientific, and the
I think
other
that's
one.
quite
It's not
idea.
bad, yeah.
Yeah, it was.
It's difficult.
But it's very. I found it more difficult than writing abstract.
Yeah, exactly. That's why I think it's quite good. Because often you get into your science type writing,
Yeah.
and to be
Yeah.
able to convey it to a non-scientific audience, can
It's
be
quite difficult to
yeah.
explain.
Yeah, I saw that in grant for the third grant, the
Mhm.
layperson. The layperson description is quite funny because it's all about if you went to a town and you didn't have a map, it would be really difficult to get around because we're doing like chicken genome maps. So it's sort of trying to put it in a sort of analogy that makes sense. Like really, I think it works, but I wouldn't have. I wouldn't think to do anything like that.
Yeah.
Do you have to do an index
Um,
or a contents or anything?
yeah.
You've done that. I see why you were like, oh no.
Yeah,
I was
pretty
like,
much.
it's just not change it. It's like, oh no, I'm going to change it like 5 times. Oh, so that section said 10. So I assume you've got to do it 10 times. Because I saw number 4, so I assume you've got 5 to 9 to do now.
How many words is it? Like 14,000?
29,000.
It's
29.
But that's total.
Ah, okay. With everything.
Is there a limit for the main text or anything?
Because
I
I.
think 130 to 150 pages for like me.
Oh, okay.
So you've got 159 pages total plus the
Yeah.
appendix. How long was? Did you do a talk master?
No, mine was research
Research master.
master. Basically, it was rotation lab. So
Ah.
I had 3 different projects
Oh,
in
that's
3
quite cool.
different labs. Yeah, it was quite.
How long were your? Did you have to do like a 3-part write up then?
Yeah,
Oh,
it's
okay.
because 3 different labs, 3 different projects.
3
But for
different
my
write-ups.
last project, because it was just considered as a master dissertation, so it was longer. It was, I
Okay.
think, 5 months working in the lab, but for the other, I think it was 3 months.
And how long was it? 15,000 words.
Yes, yeah. The limit was 15,000.
It's almost more difficult to write a lot of work in a small.
Exactly.
Because we had it for my thesis, which is part of the reason it wasn't much longer than yours. For my PhD, the theory was 30,000 words for the
30.
main text,
Ah,
not
okay.
including references and figures. And then they changed it because obviously they realised that was almost unpoliceable, I think. And then they said it was 60,000 words, because it was always 60,000 words total, 30,000 words for main text. So then
Yeah.
they just changed it, took away the 30,000 line and made it 60,000 words total. Plus or minus 10%, so mine was like 65,500 words.
Hmm.
As close to the upper limit as you could get, because it's very difficult to write 4 years worth of work
Yes,
into
exactly.
as few words.
Yeah.
Well, not very many more words than you got.
No worries.
Soon. So I did it with some very
It's not terrible.
and I got
It's just not a science.
it's not learning.
I think we need to change that. I think we should leave it. It's fine.
It wasn't like it. So yeah, so that's quite good compromise. It's like it's possible, but I think we're very many.
Yeah. Have we actually done very much stuff?
Oh, but that's so lovely. Should come from fine with this. Only, well, the fish, I've done video from I had to learn, but now I'm
Yeah.
yeah, I did primary cell culture and tissue culture and everything, so culture's fine.
Yeah.
And I understand what Darren's saying to a certain point about I want the cells to be happy and nice, but I think you have to be saying that happy and nice to make good food. But also I didn't want to harvest metals and not have any cells left. If they weren't good, then I'd have no way of going back. So like today I'm going to do some more where the starters I'm going to split. So I'm going to, well basically, tryptanize off and take half and make metals one to the other half back on the top. So that I've still got a little bit, whereas before I didn't have enough cells.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I've got the one.
How's everything going on down? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you check embryos?
Yeah.
Okay.
I made up a new plate.
How was it? Because I think on Friday when I checked them, they weren't very good.
No, I'm going to look at them again a bit later.
Yeah.
Have a quick look.
Hmm.
No. Don't know why it's not working.
But we had blastocysts once. So was it the PZM
Three.
CZM3?
But the problem is, in all of the papers it says to use media with pyruvate and lactate
Mhm.
from days 0 to 2 and then change it to
Oh,
glucose.
God,
But the
yes.
time we got blastocysts, we'd used one with glucose for 5 days and then switched to pyruvate and lactate, which shouldn't have worked, but it did. So I don't know if we were just lucky that week on like egg quality and sperm quality.
I think sperm quality is not good. The thing is, I need to discuss it about it with Darren this week. I counted 32,000 sperm. I'm not sure because it's very difficult when you define subfertility and fertility. How it depends how do you define it because in different people, different paper, they've got different definitions. But there is no very strong, I think, correlation between maybe there is. It is quite difficult to say relationship between fertility and sperm morphology. But because sperm motility was quite good when we had them, at least I think it was 70%. But the thing is, when you look at the sperm morphology, it is not good. I mean, most of all of these sperms, even Hampshire, the morphology is not very good. The Hampshire and Pietran was the best. For example, Landrace was awful. There wasn't any significant difference between normal and fertile and subfertile Landrace. So I think there is sperm quality. I think it's not good.
What kind of percentage morphology? Good morphology?
Good morphology up to 30%. If you get something 30% abnormal, you shouldn't use it. It needs to be discarded.
So like 70% normal.
And 70% for pig is normal. But the thing is, most of them are higher than at least in fertile good sperm sample. In average, they were 38% abnormalities, and is mostly was cytoplasmic droplet and acrosome. So I think I need to discuss about it with Darren, and then probably design an experiment and look at the acrosome and to make sure if really they bind the sperm does go through the zonoplasty that can bind the egg or not. Is it the acrosome reaction or something to do? And I think we need to do it. I think we can do it with a very simple staining to see the percentage of binding. And it's quite. I think sperm quality is not very good. There is another reason can be for IVF is not working.
Report just completely opposite to all other things.
I'll give you my sperm results, sperm morphology results. You can't because just if you use them. But I mean, you can as a conclusion use them as well and say we don't know what is the problem is really now. This is the future work we are going to because before I counted with 2,000 or 3,000 you can't say really, but now because there are 32,000 and when you found something is quite significant difference between normal and good and bad semen sample with acrosome and cytoplasmic droplet, so you can say something about it and it can become to your conclusion as well. You can use them, I think. I have a doubt about sperm morphology. I don't know, it's very difficult to say because sperm morphology, sperm motility is not just only morphology when you look at
the temperature as well.
And temperature. The another problem with JSR, I think, because when I went there, they told me, I saw them, when they collect sperm, they keep them at 17 degrees for 6 days. So the sperms they send us, some of them are in 3 days or 2 days or 4 days after collection. So sperm storage, sperm is quite sensitive. It's kind of gets temperature shock as well. So it depends really. It decreases the motility at least, and even for morphology, it does affect morphology as well. So this is the thing I need to talk about it with Kate and Darren and see what we can do.
Yeah, I think that might make a difference. I understand. So we focus quite a lot on the media, but
I don't think so. It's with media now. Yeah.
Okay, so that carry on now.
Yeah, and the other thing is, but for with quality of eggs, you can use, if you want to make sure, you can use the activation protocol. We used it before. I think you can try again.
Run out of time now.
Are we going to get eggs today? Tomorrow? Oh, not this week. So this. Oh, okay. You are not going to do any IVF anymore in this lab.
Yeah, I'm sort of done now. Just working it out. What are you doing now?
I want to prepare some slides for tomorrow to fish again. And then, because my neck translation, I told you, I was labeling them with biotin, it didn't work. I have to do it again. But one more time, I want to optimize the, I don't know, pattern
Oh yeah.
percentage of, say, because last time when I did it with Giuseppe, we had, because the problem is we got get red signal, we have got green signals. The thing is I had few red signals. I want to play a little bit with DTT concentration and see if I can get it right. At the same time, I have to repeat biotin labeling. Oh, it was very annoying experiment. Took 3 days, whole day, and then didn't work. The amount of DNA I had, DNA concentration was below the expected to get, so I didn't carry on the experiment. I need to think about, I don't know really, because some of those DNTP and these sort of things I used for this experiment, we had it before in the freezer in PCR kits, but they were expired, so they were for 2010. I don't know really, maybe that was meant, it's quite expensive. Yeah, this is the thing.
I was just saying about this. Mike,
Mhm.
you know, for Bologna,
Yes.
his wife's coming.
Yes.
When I checked everyone in, it's given us seat numbers automatically.
Oh, okay.
So, because you and Mike are both coming back on the same day, you've been put next to Mike.
Oh, okay.
But Mike wants to sit next to his wife.
Okay.
So, can you swap
Yeah.
with her?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
said I didn't think
Yes,
you'd
of
mind.
course.
Yeah. Right, thank you. Yeah, so you're in seat 24E.
Okay.
And he's in seat 24F.
Okay, I need to go 24F.
No, he's in 24F. You're in 24E,
sorry, yeah.
but I don't know what she's in. So
Okay,
she
yeah.
might be somewhere like 27B or something.
I will be on my own.
I know, but I didn't know.
Okay,
and
that's
I'm sorry.
fine. No, that's fine.
We can't really split up husband.
No,
and
no,
wife.
no. Yeah, that's just.
Thank you. Well, it's
That's
either
okay. Yeah, I
sit
can.
next on your own or. So,
Doesn't make any
No,
difference.
exactly.
This is the thing.
That's what I mean.
No, that's fine.
So, not everyone's in the best place.
Oh no, that's fine. Not like that,
I'll show
really.
you.
Yeah, I'm not. A,
No, I know.
you know,
Uh,
I understand. I'm not
where are you?
like a child.
25E,
Yeah, no.
25F.
I wanted to tell you something, Kate. I
Yes.
think the problem with IVF, I'm not sure 100%.
Whoa, what
it's
is it?
sperm quality.
Yeah.
Because I counted 32,000 sperm,
Yeah.
and it shows, in average, all sperms are really, you don't consider them even good samples. they don't have a very good quality, because in pig, according to the standards of all papers, that
Yeah.
by 30%, more than 30% abnormal sperm morphology, they consider that as abnormal pig. Even at JSR, they
Right.
don't sell them.
Oh, okay.
So the average of in good sperm samples, the abnormality was 38%,
Right.
and cytoplasmic droplet and acrosome was quite significantly high
Yeah.
compared
could
to
be
the
that that's the
infertile.
problem.
I think the sperm quality is not good. But the thing is, it is very difficult to define infertility. It's not only based on 100% morphology,
No,
based
it's
on
lots of other
concentration,
things,
motility, all of these factors together.
Yeah.
But I need to talk about it with you and Darren. Maybe if everyone is agree, I think quite worth to do design experiment and look at the acrosome, because acrosome dysfunction was quite high,
Yeah.
even in fertile.
Yeah.
So maybe it's a kind of very simple staining and
Yeah.
do and see if really binding happen and the percentage
Okay.
of sperm binds the.
Do you know how to do that?
I've got to pay
Is
the
it binding?
but I need to
Okay. Yeah.
check
No,
the
good idea.
different papers and to
Yeah.
make
There
sure.
you go. It's another chapter.
Yeah, maybe.
Exactly. Yeah. Perfect. Good idea.
Yeah. But my fish is not working. This is the thing. It's going to work. But this microscope lens is very dirty. Constantly. Did I tell you I'm not going to have this microscope anymore from next week? I don't know, Ian said it has been donated to the university. Only microscope I can do sperm morphology and IVF is this one. So Darren said I can for morphology. Ian has got a better microscope. I can book that one and use this microscope. But for IVF we need to get a microscope from again. We had it from teaching lab, I think. Yeah. Oh, okay. I'm not sure. I need for this one, I don't know. Can we get it from store? I think we need to order it. Finish it.
There's none in the drawers and then.
No, because we had one, I use it. Because I have counted 32,000.
Oh, okay.
So no, it took a lot of this. No, there is no, because I saw one spare one here.
There's usually one.
No, that one was from big IVF lab. Maybe one is microscopy, but I don't know because everyone needs that one. I think I don't know. I need to ask Kate. I'm not sure if we need to order it or I can get it from the store. I think I need to order it. I don't think so. I can get this one from the store. Yeah. Oh wow. It's finished. Yeah. What are you going to do after that? PhD? Job? Have you found a job?
No, not yet. So I'm just working part time still.
Oh, that's good.
So at least I've got something.
Because you have got enough experience even working in the lab and you have got this master, you've got a very good opportunity to get a job. And if you, because you told me, is that you wanted to do being as a cytogeneticist work in the lab.
Yeah, that's all.
You can apply, do you know the NHS course? You can apply for that
Yeah,
one. It's
the
very good
clinical
course. Just
scientist.
make sure because deadline
It's
I
in
think
January.
is January. Yeah,
It's
yes.
ridiculous. The number of places they have in the whole country is ridiculous. It's so competitive. But I'll give it a try.
It's very competitive, but because one of my friends, I mean, she was okay, she was good, but she applied for embryo for clinical embryologist position, but she didn't get in, but she had interview. So I mean,
Yeah,
it's at least shows good sign.
Yeah.
She's got master reproductive biology master, but she said interview was quite difficult.
Yeah, I've heard it's really tough.
It took 2 days.
Whoa.
And they ask you a lot of questions.
Well, I think after my 2 vivas, I think anything
Yeah,
else is
it's
like...
quite similar to Viva, I think. Yeah, you need to give presentation and they ask you questions. But you can, as a cytogenetics, I think you need to apply for clinical genetics.
Yeah, I don't mind it.
Clinical genetics, yeah. But it's a very good course if you can get it.
Yeah. Here we go.
Yeah, I'm sure you will get it. Okay. See you. I have got my key. Just, please don't lock it because I need to go to the other lab.
Oh, so I shouldn't lock it.
Yeah, just leave it.
Just leave it. Okay.
Yeah, I will do. Okay, see you. Daniel, did you fill the sperm morphology assessment form last week as well when you did IVF? Oh, okay. Somewhere here. It's not there now.
Have a look.
Okay, thank you.
and then after until you can do you find the oil?
No, I think we need to order it.
There's microscope oil.
Yes.
Yeah, there's
do you
some in
think
the
do we
lab.
need to order it or can we?
We've got some in the
Oh, do we? Okay, thank you.